Let's talk about fences. In just 60 seconds, we'll cover types, benefits, and maintenance. First up, types of fences. We have wooden for charm, vinyl for low maintenance, and chain link for security. What's your favorite? Fences provide privacy and safety, especially for pets and kids. A secure space gives peace of mind. Don't forget about gates. They're essential for easy access while keeping your property secure. Maintenance tip: regularly check for damage. A little paint or a quick repair can save you big in the long run. If you need professional help, contact us at 781-767-3596 or our website. If you think this tip is helpful, please push the like and subscribe button. Thank you.